Here's an idea for a 21st century Haybox slow cooker. This is the back of an envelope. You can see that with the pan half full, that's 1.5 litres of water, the prediction is a rate of cooling of 7 degrees per hour. I've missed out some things that might actually make that better, such as the mass of the pan and parts of the insulation being thicker than 0.025 metres, but actually the rate of heat loss will be higher than that because of imperfections with the density of the insulation and so on gaps. But still, it'll keep the water hot enough for long enough to slow cook whatever you want. This is a very green cooking method, without all the embodied CO2 caused by making a kitchen appliance. In this case, I'm using some boxes I've made from MDF, but really any cardboard box would be fine. Ideally there would be at least 50mm around the outside of the pan, but I've pinched it a bit to get the box from a standard 610 by 1220mm board. Get some bits of foam to pack the pan up from the bottom and save a bit of the expanding foam as well. I'm just using cheap polyurethane type foam from any D.I.Y store. I got No Nonsense from Screwfix, a UK company. Use polythene bags or cling film to stop the foam sticking to the pan or lid. The foam expands a lot, so don't put too much in one go. Wait for it to set, then trim and fill any gaps with a second shot. The trimmings can be used as packing in the lid. Put the box lid in place as the foam expands so it fits closely to the pan lid. Cut the cloth only after you've measured with the pan and pan lid in position. Measure twice, cut once, etc., as I'm sure your grandmother told you. Tuck the edge of the cloth down the side of the foam with a flat blade, like a palette knife or kitchen scraper, and you can glue it in place afterwards to keep it steady. And finally, paint your box however you want.